Hello, it's Marie Antoinette, your BFF from the afterlife. I'm here to do another unboxing today. This box was sent by the Council for What Your Life Was Like, and it offers things that represent what your life was like, so we're gonna check it out today, right now. Things were awfully bad in the end, though, so I wonder what's gonna actually be in this box. Oh, goody! It's a picture of me as a baby. Wasn't I just the cutest baby ever? I was born on November 2nd, 1755 in Vienna, Austria. So much better than that France that I had to go off to. My childhood was pretty good, and then at 14, though, I was sent and forced to marry somebody at 14. I guess, though, he was like almost the king of France, so that was pretty good, but I was so young, so tragic. Of course they would have to send me that diamond necklace. That caused me nothing but grief. Why would they send this to me? It was all because of that good-for-nothing Janine de Vos Saint Remy. Her name is so hard to say. Anyways, she passed herself off as a royal descendant, and she wasn't. She was a con artist. Do you hear me? She was a con artist. What had happened was that the king before my husband, his father, had this necklace made, and it was the most expensive necklace ever. I mean, it was like $15 million in US money in modern day time. And he died before he could pay for it. So the jeweler was like, what am I going to do with this necklace? And my husband was like, I'm not buying it. No, I'm not doing it. And so the jeweler was like, okay, well, I need to figure out a way to pay for this. And then that stupid Janine came in and had a con to try and pretend to be me and say that I wanted the necklace and I wanted to buy it. And they even had somebody dress up as me. And they started sending letters to the cardinal being like, hey, can I have that money? Can I have the money to buy this necklace? And the cardinal was like, okay, I guess, like, sure, fine, I'll give it to you. But it wasn't really me. I never asked for that. I never asked for the money. And so once the jeweler had gave it to the person, because they were pretending to be me, they started selling off the diamonds that were in this necklace. Can you believe it? Can you believe what they were doing? Ugh. And they were all pretending to be me. I swear, it wasn't. It wasn't, I promise. But this had a terrible effect on my household and my family. People thought that I just wanted to live this big old lavish lifestyle with all of these really expensive things, while there were people with nothing, all those peasants and stuff. And I got blamed. I got blamed for all this when it wasn't me. It ruined the French monarchy. A French flag. That does make sense, because I did marry the King of France. But I'm Austrian myself, actually. I became a part of the French monarchy, which was like the biggest mistake ever, because people were like, we don't like you, so we're gonna revolt. And that's what they did. And bad things happened because of it. And you know what they did next? They stormed the prison Bastille. They stormed it with like weapons and stuff that they had stolen. And then they had the nerve of cutting off the general's head, the head of Bastille, and putting it on a pike, which is a stick, and just like leaving it there. I was scared to death. And my husband wasn't listening to me. He's like, whatever, honey, whatever. And I was like, no, we got to do something about this. So I made him stand up for ourselves and stand up to the General National Assembly, because what was happening to us was just so unfair, and he wouldn't do anything. Did they really send cake in this box? I mean, I love cake as much as the next people, but I did not say let them eat cake. I didn't do it, okay? I didn't say that. It was all because I had my husband stand up to the General National Assembly, and then they started spreading rumors like I didn't care about the peasants, saying, let them eat cake. Well, I mean, they are kind of dirty and stuff, but like I didn't say that, I promise. Oh, why would they send this to me? Oh, a rope? That's the next item in this? A rope? Well, I guess, like, we were sent to prison and held there for, like, over a year. It was really terrible. And it was all just because we tried to get out of France because France was not being very nice to us. And we tried to go and escape to my homeland of Austria. But they were like, no, you can't leave here. So you're going to go to prison. That sounds lovely. Oh, no, they didn't. They did not just send me a replica of the guillotine that I was beheaded with. How rude. How rude are they? I knew that this box probably wouldn't be filled with great things, but, like, my life was pretty good up until the stupid French people had to revolt against us. I mean, this represents the most traumatic day of my life. October 16th, 1793. That's when I was beheaded. Can you believe that? That's how I died? Is they beheaded me? What a horrible thing that they would do to me. It was the most horrible event ever. My head just, like, rolled off my body. Well, that was a downer of a video, but like and subscribe if you want to see more videos of me, Marie Antoinette, from the afterlife. I'll see you later. Bye.